Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best eye cream is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked products in a man's grooming arsenal, designed specifically to combat the unique challenges men's skin faces, from stubborn dark circles and puffiness to the fine lines that can betray your age and stress levels, ensuring you always look refreshed and ready to take on the world, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a youthful and vibrant appearance. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Tired of puffy eyes and under-eye bags? Discover a solution designed to visibly reduce their appearance. Infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, it deeply hydrates and soothes the delicate skin around your eyes. Our unique marine botanical complex works to revitalize and refresh the under-eye area. This oil-free formula is ophthalmologist tested, making it gentle enough for daily use. Experience a smoother, brighter, and more refreshed look with consistent use. For visibly reduced puffiness and a revitalized appearance, choose this effective eye cream. What we like. This option is excellent for everyday hydration and repair. It effectively tackles puffiness and bags under the eyes. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a no-frills, effective formula, you should consider this. What people say. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't feel greasy at all, which makes it perfect for daily use and under makeup. It feels very gentle and soothing. I've already noticed that my under-eye area looks more hydrated, smoother, and refreshed. The skin around my eyes feels smoother and more hydrated, and I've noticed a visible reduction in puffiness and fine lines. Number 4. 8 Saints All-in-Eye Cream. Are you struggling with puffiness, wrinkles, or dark circles under your eyes? Discover a natural and organic solution designed to revitalize your delicate eye area. This powerful anti-aging cream works to visibly reduce puffiness and smooth out fine lines. Experience a more refreshed and youthful appearance. Say goodbye to stubborn dark circles. Our formula is specifically crafted to brighten and even out the skin tone under your eyes. Formulated with natural and organic ingredients, it provides effective treatment without irritation. It's gentle enough for daily use. This is your go-to product for comprehensive under-eye care. It addresses multiple concerns, offering a simple yet effective routine. Achieve a visibly smoother, brighter, and more rested look. Embrace the power of nature for your eye care needs. What we like. This is a fantastic choice if you prioritize natural and organic ingredients. It's designed to combat puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles all at once. If you're looking for an all-natural solution to a variety of under-eye issues, this is the one for you. What people say. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which makes it perfect for both morning and nighttime use. Within just a couple of weeks, I noticed a visible difference in my under-eye area, less puffiness, smoother fine lines, and a brighter overall appearance. The skin under my eyes looks more refreshed and hydrated after using it, softening the lines and crow's feet. Number 3. Lumin Men's Dark Circle Defense Balm. Are you struggling with tired-looking eyes? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle the common concerns men face. Experience the power of Korean skincare, expertly crafted for men's unique needs. It deeply hydrates the delicate eye area. Say goodbye to puffiness and the appearance of fine lines. This balm works to smooth and revitalize your under-eye area. Specifically formulated to reduce the look of dark circles, it helps you achieve a brighter, more refreshed appearance. Use it day or night for continuous care. This versatile balm fits seamlessly into your daily routine. With just 20 milliliters, you get a potent solution for a visibly improved eye area. Embrace a more confident look. What we like. Leveraging Korean skincare technology, this balm offers a refreshing boost with caffeine. It's specifically formulated to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. If you're seeking a targeted treatment for tired-looking eyes and appreciate innovative formulas, this is a great pick. What people say. This eye cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and peptides to hydrate and firm the delicate skin around the eyes. It effectively reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the under-eye area looking smoother. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly without any greasy residue, making it suitable for daily use. Number 2. 8 Saints Wonderful Plumping Eye Cream. Tired of tired eyes? Discover the secret to a more radiant and youthful gaze. This luxurious cream is designed to revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. Watch as fine lines and wrinkles visibly diminish. Its powerful formula works to plump the skin, restoring a smoother, firmer appearance. Say goodbye to puffiness and dark circles. This targeted treatment effectively addresses common under-eye concerns, leaving you looking refreshed. Experience the power of nature. Crafted with natural and organic ingredients, it nourishes your skin gently yet effectively. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine. It's your daily dose of rejuvenation for a visibly brighter, smoother eye area. Embrace the transformative power of this eye cream. It helps you rediscover the natural beauty and vitality of your eyes. What we like. This cream focuses on plumping the skin for a smoother, more youthful appearance. Its natural and organic formulation also works to reduce fine lines and under-eye bags. If your main concern is loss of firmness and the appearance of wrinkles, this is an excellent option. What people say. It feels lightweight, absorbs quickly, and instantly makes my under-eye area look smoother and more refreshed. Immediately impressed with the cooling applicator which glides over the delicate under-eye skin. It has noticeably reduced the grade of darkness under my eyes and the circles. Number 1. Breavo 6-in-1 Face Cream for Men. Discover the ultimate solution for men's skincare. This all-in-one cream simplifies your routine while delivering powerful results. It's designed to be your go-to moisturizer, tackling multiple concerns with just one product. Experience comprehensive care for your skin. Combat the signs of aging effectively. This formula works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Specifically formulated to address puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. Achieve a more refreshed and revitalized look. This cream is crafted for the man who values efficiency and results. Achieve healthier, younger-looking skin with ease. Enjoy the benefits of 6 essential skincare steps in one convenient product. It's the smart choice for your daily regimen. What we like. This product offers incredible value with its 6-in-1 functionality. It acts as a moisturizer and anti-aging treatment, also targeting eye bags. If you appreciate a streamlined routine and want a single product to handle multiple facial skincare needs, this is a highly convenient choice. What people say. This eye cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and peptides, which help to hydrate and firm the delicate skin around the eyes. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for use under makeup or sunscreen. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet after consistent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.